it goes. Watch kettle never boils. Well, I was watching that one, and it's, you can see it's boiled. Yeah, it's done. So what you need to do, grab the Robert Timms, give it an open, slide him out, give it an aeration. That gets all the granules aerated. Right, aerate the bag. Tip in exactly 1/4 of the mug with water, hot water. You let it sit. Here we go. And while you're waiting, you have a look at the books. What do we have here? War and Peace, Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, The Great Gatsby, Little Women. I actually just bought Don. Don's just been put in my little home library. Maybe I should make sure I read all the books in my cup. Maybe that's a good thing. Hamlet. What's that? The Secret Garden. Shh. Can't talk about that one. That's it. Do the thing. Then you come back. You watch the kettle boil, just to prove that a watched kettle actually does boil. I don't understand the science behind it. I think it's something with quantum physics. You do up to 3/4, definitely. Then you come back, and we're up to the book you can't talk about, because it's a secret. The bell jar. I've actually never Plath. I know Plath, but I haven't heard of the bell jar. Might have to get onto that. Catch-22 sitting in my bookshelf as well, yet to be read. Oh look, there's a sticker. Come back. Then we've got the secret ingredients. Awesome. Next, what you need to do is you get rid of the bag. Add 2 drops of stevia hazelnut flavour. Just 2 drops. 1, 2. Some of the cocoa. It's the cocoa there, but not normal cocoa. This is gold. This one's gold. It helps turn my mocha into liquid gold. Nectar of the gods. Lastly, you got some full cream. No, pure cream. Oh, fucked it up. Not full cream. Alright, it's pure cream. But you got to let it keep going around. Give it another bit of a stir. It needs a nice stir, like a vigorous vigorous stir action just to get my hazelnut and my cocoa gold, because gold doesn't dissolve very easily. That's it. That's better. Vigorous stir. Then bringing in the pure cream. Pure. That's it. A dollop. A technical measurement there. Give it a dollop of pure cream. Give it a stir. Ting ting on the side. That's the secret ingredient. Ting, a double ting for you ting on the side to taste, depending. Sometimes the first time you make it, give it the 2. See how you go with that. Come back, add. You can always add extra. Add the extra ting on the end. I'm going to stay with the 2 today, and that's my mocha. Everyone who drinks it must enjoy. See you next time.